I'm going to try something new in Hokkaido, and it's taking the Ferris wheel. It's right in the middle of Sapporo near the hotel where we're staying, so I figured I went for a walk this afternoon, only about 5 minutes into the walk, and I saw this big Ferris wheel in the middle of the city, so I decided to follow and see where it went. And fortunately, I can take a ride. It only costs 600 yen, so hopefully we'll get a good view. Oh, and this Ferris wheel ride is for you, my little wifey, spoiled love of my life, vlogger. And I think that because I'm the only one in here, I'm not going to wear a mask. This is pretty cool. This is downtown Sapporo in Hokkaido. From our hotel room, we saw a couple of hills that are snow-covered. There, you can see way over in the distance. I'll see if I can zoom in. Those hills are still snow-covered. Today is the 6th of May. And that bowling pin on the roof, I walked past getting here. It's a building that is called the Sports Entertainment Building, but it has darts and billiards and karaoke and that type of thing. And if you can see way over, I'll zoom in, see if I can see. That is the dome where we'll be playing our games, the Sapporo Dome. They use the dome for baseball and soccer, and probably some other event types. It looks like they're building perhaps a big department store there. This is pretty cool. We're getting really high up here. This is nice. It's a great way to be able to see the city. We're almost getting to the peak of the Ferris wheel. And we're above all the buildings. There's the snow-capped hill in the background. And probably way over behind there, in the middle there, is some snow. Some strong wind up here now. You can definitely hear it blowing. Okay, so we're going to come to the peak here, and I should be able to get a good view of the city at the peak and going down the other side. I think I'm the only one on the entire Ferris wheel right now as well. Okay, coming to the peak. Nice. Bowling. This is where we're gonna go someday.
Morning. Ayan ang aming lunch for today. Sa kanya to. And then ito sa akin. Parang beef bowl rice with egg, toge, onions. Tapos nagyang konting cheese. Bon appetit!
And I don't think Bitcoin is going to get to a market capitalization this market cycle that would allow for ADA to have two. What we're going to do...
Kaya naman pala spoiled eh! Are they loving the popcorn?
Yes, garbage saying, you know, ADA takes over the world and this is what it's going to be. No, we're going to stay grounded.
So cute! For dinner, ito naman coleslaw salad, tapos lumpia, and then yan akin. Bon appetit! Love you!
Shy or embarrassed, this is how you change your walk. You shuffle your arm stance. Like, yeah, if I walk like this, maybe you won't see me walking like this.
Show them!
No. It's on now?
Yeah.
It's videoing?
Yeah. Look, there's number.
Hi, everyone. Okay. When my wife gets really embarrassed or shy when I do something, her whole walk posture changes. Normally, you just walk and you go with the flow. But then she just like cowers, pulls her arm forward, and slides her feet. Okay. Yeah. So maybe if I walk like this, you won't see me. But guess what? I see you. Oh, this is so cute. What are you gonna do? I love her to death anyway.
Yeah!
Bye, Candyloveart.
Thank you. Nagustuhan niya yung lumpia. Do you like the lumpia? Oh.
Good!
Thank you. Ayun, sobrang #1 favorite Filipino food of yours.
Lumpia!
Lumpia. And then, kagabi, may binigay siya sa akin. Pasalubong niya galing Sapporo, Hokkaido. Ayan. First, this one. Royce Quality Nama Chocolate. Yes. Ayun na. So excited. Check natin ah.
Oh, and with your iPhone, take a photo of that sauce that we just dipped the lumpia in, so I'll have Obi pick more up for us.
The sweet chili sauce.
Yeah.
Well, I just bought it in Daiso.
Oh, it's in Daiso? Oh, that's even better.
Yeah, just 100 yen. Ganyan siya. Ayan. Tapos, meron tayo nito. Kita no Kama, made from Hokkaido. Hokkaido Hoku cheese. Have you tried this one, babe?
No, I got it just for you.
Oh, thank you. I'll share it. Oh, it's so nice that it is individually packed, no?
Well, that allows it to stay fresher longer.
Tikman natin to. For sure. Yan. Bigyan ko din si Hubby. And then, last one, Ishiya, made in Hokkaido, Chocolate Blanc, white chocolate 24 pieces. This one's fancy.
That was for you, my dear.
Ah, naka-gift wrap siya. Ooh, this is a nice packaging of their chocolate.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
Yeah, very nice. Let's see. 1976. Ooh, wow. I bet this one is expensive. Which one do you like to try? Tikman natin to. Tsaka yung ito, bibigyan ko din si Hubby. Yung Royce next time na lang. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Love you.
Love you more.
Tapos, yung neighbor namin sa taas, nagbigay nito. It's a custom, baby, no? When you move daw, nag-doorbell, tapos binigyan kami nito. Thank you! Let's try! Come on!
You said you're going to try to vlog your reaction, so...
I want to try...
Candyloveartist, I will join you in watching my beautiful wife and her reaction.
which one? Sige, ito na nga lang. I'll just have a bite of each first. You haven't tried this one yet.
No.
Why are you
I
smiling?
bought them all for you, baby.
Bango. It's really tasty. It's not that sweet, but it's really tasty. Delicious. White chocolate
In a biscuit.
and biscuit.
Because my wife loves chocolate. Chocolate. So, I ever want to get her anything to do with chocolate is always a winner.
Thank you. Tapos this one is the cheese. Kind of a cheesecake. Girl, it's so pure. It's so smooth, pure, and it's like ice cream, no? Yummy. Try it.
I will try mine later.
Ang sarap. It's so good. How much is it?
I don't know.
Thank you, baby. Good afternoon, girls. Ayan, magluluto lang tayo ng pasta. Nagsusutay na ako ng chicken. Wait lang. Ito yung ingredients. Kita nyo ba? Ayan. Carrots, bell pepper, onions, saka tomatoes. Ito kasi ginigisa ko na lang. Of course, yung noodles natin is this one, angel hair. Ayan. Tapos maglalagay lang tayo nito ng dalawang Philadelphia the double cheese. Dalawa na to eh. Tapos sinisimmer ko muna. Naglagay din pala ako ng mushroom para masarap. Ayan. Wait lang. So, ayan, nilagay ko na rin yung tomatoes tsaka yung cheese. Yun yung parang magiging sauce nito eh. Isisimmer ko lang din ulito. Tapos, okay na to. Lutuin na natin yung noodles. So, ayan. Tapos ko na lutuin tong angel hair. Gusto ko to, yung pasta na to, kasi manipis lang siya. So, lalagay na natin siya dyan. And then, inimix natin. Open. And, ganyan na yung itsura niya. Para siyang pansit, pero hindi. Ang tawag daw kasi dito is chicken Tuscany or Tuscan pasta. So, titikman natin siya, girls. So, yan, girls. Di pa ako naliligo, Maya. Kasi lumabas ako kanina. Pinalaundry ko yung suit ni baby. Tapos, ngayon, naglaba rin ako. Tinatamad pa ako maligo. Kasi gusto ko munang magluto nito para hindi ako mangamoy mamaya. Diba? Tikman natin. Kahapon pala, blockbuster yung lumpia. Alam mo, ang dami ko niluto, diba? Ini-expect ko kasi na may matitira pa. Girl, naubos ni Hubby. Favorite niya talaga yung lumpia. Sabi ko nga, mas masarap ba tong lumpia na gawa ko kaysa dun sa binibili natin sa base? Sabi nga, oo daw, iba daw yung luto ko. Sabi ko, char, ano ba? So, 1:20 PM na rin naman. Hindi pa ako nagla-lunch. Nag-breakfast lang ako nung parang mamon. Tapos coffee. Ito na yung magiging dinner ni Hubby later. Sarap siya, girls. Kakaibang pasta. Kasi nagsasawa na kami dun sa may mga tomato-based sauce, ganyan. At doon siya to, maiba naman. Nag-research lang kasi ako kagabi kung anong pasta yung pwede sa may chicken. Tapos ito yung lumabas. Lalagay ko na lang sa description box yung link kung saan ko nakita yung recipe nito. I love angel hair pasta.